Here we are with our practice set number 6. Okay, and here they have asked us to write the congruent segments. Okay, you can see there are many segments here. They have asked to use a divider, okay, and measure the segments and then write. Okay, then too, by looking at them we can make out. Okay, so first I have measured them. mg and gr are congruent, so we will write seg mg is congruent to seg gr. Okay, mg and gr are congruent. Then if you see gc is congruent to gb. Okay, so seg gc is congruent to seg gb. Okay, then seg I'll take mg will be congruent to ng also. Okay, so seg mg is congruent to seg ng. Okay, these both are also congruent, and ge will be congruent to gr. You can see ge is congruent to gr. Okay, this was your first question, practice set 6. So now let us move on to the second question, children. Okay, so they have asked seg AB. Okay, so you can measure seg AB is congruent to which segment? It is congruent to seg WA. Okay. Okay, so now I have written the questions. Children, if you can try to understand this, why I have written this. Seg AB is congruent to seg WA. Okay, so here AB, the distance between these 2 points and these 2 points will be the same. Okay, so now if I am taking seg AP, okay, so along with this, what can I take? If I am taking AP, there can be multiple answers, children. It is not that only one unique answer you will have. So here AP, I'll just shift it here one left, I'll write WQ. Okay, so AP will be congruent to WQ. Yes, you can also take YC. Okay, you can also take AP congruent to ZB. All are correct. Okay, just see here AP has 4 points in between, 1 2 3 4. So I've taken WQ, which also has 4 points in between. That's it. Okay, seg AC. Now AC. Okay, how many points it is having? It is having only 1 point in between, so I can write AX, I can write PY, I can write QZ, anything. Okay, so I'll write here seg AX. Okay, there can be many answers, children. There can be many answers, not a unique answer. Okay, now seg dash will be congruent to seg BY. Seg dash will be congruent to BY. Just see how many points in between, 1 2 3. Okay, so you can write, if I take this Q 1 2 3, I can write QX. Okay, then seg YQ, seg YQ. Okay, YQ, you can see 2 points are there in between, so seg YQ I can write YA. Yes, YA I can write here, also 2 points in between. Then seg BW congruent to, I can write only 1 point in between, I can write WY. Okay, WY. This is how the pattern goes. With this we complete our practice set 6. Goodbye, children.